Tips for living a healthy life. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. People are starting to live longer with a higher quality of life. However, this is an amazing feat for science and society. We'll take a step back from the world of technology and pharmaceuticals to look at what adjustments the common person can do right now to live a longer and healthier life. In the video, we will discuss tips for a healthy life. All links used for research in this video are available in the description below. Be sure to check them out. Now, let's jump into our 5 tips for a long and healthy life. Number 1, drink more water. An estimated 75% of Americans affect from chronic dehydration. So I think it might be time for you to reevaluate your levels of water consumption. Experts recommend that everyone drink between 11 and 16 cups of water each day, according to a Harvard University research paper. You are drinking enough water. Every day is important for a number of reasons. It helps keep your joints lubricated and delivers essential nutrients to cells all over your body. Keeps organs operating efficiently. It prevents infections and helps regulate body temperature. That's why the cold glass of water on a hot day. Additional advantages could include enhanced sleep, quality, cognition, and mood. Intake of nutrition and supplements. Number 2, nutrition and supplements. We all know to eat our greens and that McDonald's isn't the healthiest option, but optimal nutrition is about so much more than just eating. The vast majority of us assume that the same healthy food choices apply to everybody. The average American diet finds some essential nutrients to be lacking. These areas include vitamins A, C and D, calcium, potassium and magnesium. Let's take vitamin D as an example. According to a 2011 study, 1 billion people worldwide and 41 points. We all know we should eat our greens and that McDonald's isn't the best option, but good nutrition entails so much more. If you are lacking the vitamin, you could very well be lacking the benefits. Vitamin D helps your body fight disease. This results in a reduced risk of multiple sclerosis, heart disease, and the likelihood of developing the flu. It is also found to impact mood regulation and potentially improve the symptoms of depression. It is just an example, a sample from one nutrient in the body. There are also plenty of other factors that can influence how your body works. You can add these nutrients into your diet by eating the right foods with a high concentration of nutrients. Or look to take supplements that you can find in the drugstore before deciding. If you want to take any supplements or make drastic changes, consult a doctor. As I am not just like the previous 2 points on this list, many adults also lack lead. According to the CDC, 1 in 3 adults doesn't have enough. Number 3, get enough sleep. According to experts, everyone should get between 7 and 9 hours of sleep per night. A consistent loss of sleep, more than any other recommendation, can cause the most severe effects on health. Lack of sleep contributes to a wide array of health complications, including obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, and mental distress. The culminating effect of these long nights and our loss is called sleep death. It is extremely difficult to make back for every hour of sleep lost. It can take up to 4 days for the effects to take on. After a night of bad sleep, your sleep debt works up a tab that accumulates and gets away from you after you have a night. This condition, according to Dr. Walker, can shave years off your life. The best way to prepare for a good night's sleep is to put away screens 2 hours before bed and develop a routine that helps you relax. Feel free to try different things to see what works best for you before going to bed. Number 4, exercise. Natural way of healthy life is to get exercise and stay active. First, we're going to talk about cardiovascular exercise. A lot of people have a misconception about this. The conception that cardio is limited to activities similar to running and cycling. Almost any movement can be classified as cardio, which means activities such as walking, playing sports, dancing, and even jumping up and down on a trampoline cow. What these activities all have in common is that they trigger your body to take in more oxygen to maintain energy levels, which in turn increases your heart rate. Getting your heart rate up is important for strengthening your heart and overall health. According to the CDC, 1 out of every 4 deaths is caused by heart disease. It is caused by heart disease, so keeping your heart in good shape should be a primary priority for everyone. It can help you remember things better and safeguard your brain from deterioration as you get older. It also causes endorphins to be released in your body. Endorphins are a naturally occurring hormone that is created by your nerve system. It naturally lifts your mood and is the hormone behind the phenomena of the runner's high. They are often referred to as the happy hormone because it makes people happier. When it comes to resistance training, the next thing we'll look at in terms of exercise is resistance training. To stay healthy, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services recommends doing at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity every week. There's more to it than meets the eye, as it turns out. That isn't just for appearing fit or muscular, but also for growing strength. It may help prevent and control conditions like type 2 diabetes, according to Westcott, by lowering visceral fat and boosting insulin sensitivity. It also offers many of the same benefits that cardio offers as well. Research may also help enhance bone density and relieve discomfort caused by back problems, arthritis, and fibromyalgia. On top of all that, it can also reverse other skeletal and muscular problems associated with aging. The importance of personal relationships is the last tip on our list. A review of 148 studies regarding rations found that people with strong and developed social circles are 50% less likely to die prematurely. And interestingly enough, when you have people in your life with whom you can discuss concerns, it has been discovered that those who have committed to a life partner live 3 years longer on average than those who don't. You don't have to take your stress inside yourself. According to a study, even thinking about the people you care about after a difficult event or task can help you recover more quickly from stress symptoms. It keeps stress levels lower over time and reduces their long-term impact on your health. On the other hand, loneliness has long been a key predictor of poor health. It has been commonly associated with depression and is now reported to impact pain tolerance and immune system dysregulation. People can promote several changes to your health, such as unintentional personal hygiene. Sure is another influence on other health habits, such as exercise, dietary choices, and certain activities that can positively or negatively impact your health. When it comes to selecting what a healthy life looks like for you, there are a lot of elements to consider. The items on this list and the study done by scientists on these issues are just a few of the most popular health options today. Well, that is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications to stay up to date with our content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.